Hi there, my name is Andrew Kempe and I'm with Shimano American Corporation up here at the Raleigh Suncadia event, showing off the new CX70 cyclocross group built here on the Raleigh RXC Pro cross bike. This is actually the presentation bike. They're going to be showing the winner or top ranked elite racer tonight of the elite cross race. The top ranked elite racer without a contract will win 2 of these bikes and full support from Raleigh. So the cross group, made up of the primary components of cantilever brakes, front derailleur, and cyclocross specific crank. So those 3 parts give us now a full Shimano entry into cyclocross racing. So the first off here is the brakes. This has been one of the most notable absences from our cross offerings. So the CX70 cantilever brakes designed to work with all the new Super SLR brake levers, so cable pull ratio is appropriate for optimal power and control. Great clearance for various frames, wheel configurations. We've got these the hourglass spacers here to help keep mud from building up. Also, the CX70 has a removable brake shoe cartridge system, so you can swap out brake pads depending on rim material, whether you're going to run aluminum or carbon. So that, then coupled with the one in the front there, gives you all the stopping power you need while you're racing. Then even more impressive is the new crankset, based on the Ultegra-quality CX70 crank arm, but now with the cyclocross specific 46 tooth and 36 tooth chainring configurations. So in order to achieve the optimal shifting with that front chainring configuration, we have a dedicated CX70 front derailleur in a multitude of pull and mounting styles. This one here is the bottom pull. We also are offering a top pull, 2 different clamp diameters, as well as braze-on. And if you are familiar with Shimano, you know how well known we are for our front shifting, and this setup here continues that tradition of super fast, reliable shifting. Really quick from that 36 up to the 46. And if you look on the back side here, the 46 is extensively machined. You can see all the ramps right here to help move the chain up that ring, under load, under power, full gas. You're not going to miss a shift.
Is 46-36 the only combination available?
Currently, yes.
Okay.
I have a feeling, and it's just a feeling, that we will offer up different chainring options as aftermarket upgrades, but there's no plans currently for that.
Now there's another group that's coming as well, right?
The CX50 group, you are correct. That comes much later in the season. We're not going to have that in time for this year's cross season. That will be it'll ship around November of this year, so that means it'll be in time for the 2012/2013 cross season. And it's a slightly lower end group, so it does not have the hollow arms, still a Holotech 2 design, but a solid crank arm, slightly heavier duty caliper brakes. So a little bit lower cost as well as a little bit higher weight.
Would you consider that a Tiagra or 105 equivalent?
I would say kind of between the 2, correct. I would say between Tiagra and 105. And
Great.
that one's probably going to have less aftermarket and more OE spec.
And when will we start to see these parts on OE bikes?
On OE bikes, probably not until next season, because these parts will be shipping aftermarket in August, too late for OEs. So we will be shipping it to bike shops in August of this year, so for aftermarket upgrades.
Are any of the Shimano sponsored pros going to be using any of these parts this season?
All of them.
All of them. Great. Thank you so much, Andrew.
Yeah, thank you.